functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options you can upgrade to, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine block heater. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.